Hey everyone, AI is changing the world as we know it, powering everything from our social feeds to medical diagnoses. But here's a crucial truth. If you don't understand AI bias, you're missing a critical piece of the puzzle. Many think AI is purely objective and neutral machine, but that's just not true. AI can be incredibly unfair, discriminatory, and even harmful. Why? Because it often reflects and amplifies the very biases present in our human world. Today, we're diving deep into AI bias, what it is, where it comes from, and why it matters to you. Stick around, because understanding this isn't just for AI experts. It's for anyone interacting with technology. So what exactly is AI bias? Simply put, it's when an AI system produces results that are systematically prejudiced towards or against certain groups. This isn't usually malicious intent by the AI itself. Instead, it's a reflection of the data it was trained on. Think of it like a student learning from a biased textbook. They'll naturally develop a biased understanding. For example, if an AI is trained on images predominantly featuring one demographic for a specific task, it might struggle to perform that task accurately for others. It's not about the AI choosing to be biased, it's about the patterns it learned. This leads to uneven outcomes, from minor annoyances to serious real-world consequences. Now, where do these biases actually originate? There are three main. Our world is full of historical and societal biases. When we collect data, it often reflects these existing inequalities. If a dataset used to train a hiring AI largely contains successful male applicants, guess what? The AI might learn to favor male candidates, even unintentionally. It's a mirror reflecting our past. Second, we have human bias in design. Even the best engineers can inadvertently introduce bias through the choices they make during an AI's development. This could be in how features are selected, how models are evaluated, or even how fairness is defined. It's a subtle but powerful influence. And third, sometimes it's algorithmic bias. The way an algorithm is structured or optimized can, in certain circumstances, amplify minor biases present in data, making them much more pronounced. It's like a small ripple in the data, turning into a big wave of discrimination. Let's look at some real-world examples. Remember Amazon's AI recruiting tool? It learned to discriminate against women because it was trained on historical data from a male-dominated tech industry. That's a huge problem, right? Another infamous case, facial recognition technology. Studies have shown these systems often perform significantly worse on women and people of color. Imagine being misidentified by law enforcement because the AI simply wasn't trained enough on faces that look like yours. The stakes couldn't be higher. Or consider medical AI. If an AI designed to diagnose skin conditions is trained primarily on lighter skin tones, it might completely miss critical indicators on darker skin, leading to misdiagnoses and health disparities. The implications are profound, affecting everything from criminal justice to healthcare. This isn't just about fairness. It's about the effectiveness and reliability of AI itself. An AI with bias is an AI that's not working correctly for everyone. It undermines trust and can perpetuate or even worsen societal inequalities. So what's the takeaway? AI bias is a complex but solvable problem. It requires diverse data, diverse teams building AI, and constant vigilance to identify and mitigate these biases. As users, we need to be aware that AI isn't inherently neutral. We should question its outputs and demand transparency. Understanding AI bias empowers you to be a more informed digital citizen and a more ethical AI developer. If this helped you grasp a crucial AI concept, hit that like button, subscribe for more insights, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Let's build a fairer AI future together.